In a world full of uncertainties, being prepared is key. Whether you're gearing up for a natural disaster, power outage, or full-on apocalypse, having the right survival gear can make all the difference. We've scoured Amazon to bring you the coolest Doomsday survival gadgets of 2025. Cutting-edge tools designed to keep you safe, self-sufficient, and ready for anything. From high-tech water purifiers to compact solar generators, these must-have essentials will ensure you're prepared for any emergency. Let's dive in. In survival situations, having a versatile and durable tool can be the difference between success and struggle. The Survival Spear features a 9mm thick, double-edged 2CR13 stainless steel blade that is razor-sharp, corrosion-resistant, and built for durability. Its 36-inch nylon fiberglass handle is bolt-reinforced for strength, with a grooved grip ensuring comfort and accuracy during throws. Designed for hunting, camping, self-defense, and competitive throwing, this tactical spear is both functional and reliable in various outdoor scenarios. Complete with a leather sheath for safe transport, it's an essential tool for adventurers, wilderness explorers, and collectors alike. Protecting your head while climbing is crucial for safety in unpredictable environments. Introducing the Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet, a lightweight yet ultra-durable climbing helmet designed for comfort, security, and reliability. Built with a rugged ABS outer shell and EPS impact foam, it offers maximum impact protection while maintaining a low-profile secure fit. The adjustable chin strap and one-handed fit dial make customization easy, while the streamlined headlamp clips ensure your light stays in place. Featuring a Y-slider for quick adjustments, a suspension system for stability, and a minimalist design for multi-pitch climbs, this helmet is an essential piece of gear for climbers worldwide. Neck strain and discomfort can be a serious issue for climbers who spend long hours belaying. The vertical Plasfon Evo belay glasses provide comfort and safety by eliminating the need to constantly tilt your head. Featuring zero-defect widened prisms, these glasses ensure a clear, uninterrupted view of both the climber and belay device. Lightweight at just 39 grams, they have a sporty, ergonomic design that adapts to all face shapes. A sturdy smart case with a carabiner allows for easy one-handed access, while the double zip and Velcro system ensures secure storage. Available in 3 colors, these glasses are an essential tool for reducing strain and enhancing focus during climbs. Ropes are essential for climbing and rigging, but sharp edges and abrasive surfaces can cause premature wear and damage. The LiQWYD rope protector sleeve is designed to extend the lifespan of your rope by shielding it from rough terrain. Made from high-quality PVC polyester, it is lightweight, compact, durable, and resistant to corrosion and wear. The Velcro closure and clip ensure a secure fit while allowing for easy placement and removal. This protector slides into position effortlessly, providing critical protection in high-friction areas. Ideal for rock climbing, mountaineering, tree climbing, caving, construction, roofing, and aerial work, it's an essential tool for anyone relying on ropes for safety and performance. Exposure to harmful airborne particles, gases, and vapors can pose serious health risks in various work environments. The Draeger X-Plore air purifying respirator provides powerful, reliable respiratory protection with an intuitive design, extreme durability, and all-day comfort. Engineered for demanding industrial environments, it features a rugged construction built to withstand tough conditions. The powered air system eliminates breathing resistance, allowing users to work efficiently for up to 16 hours on a single charge. Ideal for sanding, woodworking, welding fumes, painting, chemical industries, petrochemical work, and agriculture. Its easy, clean design ensures hygiene and long-lasting performance. Stay protected, comfortable, and productive with this advanced air purifying solution. In low light conditions, having a reliable and hands-free light source is essential for safety and efficiency. The Energizer LED headlamp delivers 260 lumens of ultra-bright illumination with an 80-meter beam distance for long-range viewing. Designed for rugged outdoor use, it features a pivoting head with wide and spot beam modes, allowing you to adjust the light as needed. With a shatterproof lens and water-resistant construction, it ensures durability in harsh conditions. Perfect for hiking, running, camping, hunting, and emergency power outages, this dependable headlamp provides versatile lighting modes to suit any situation. Whether indoors or outdoors, it's the ideal hands-free lighting solution. In demanding outdoor and tactical situations, having a durable and versatile backpack is essential for carrying gear efficiently. Meet the G4 Free Military Backpack, built from high-density 1000D polyester fabric, making it durable, water-resistant, and ready for rugged adventures. Designed with multiple compartments and two-way zippered closure pockets, it provides ample storage for survival, hunting, and emergency essentials. The ventilated mesh back, chest strap, and waist belt ensure breathable comfort for long treks. Molly webbing and D-rings allow easy attachment of gear, while bottom straps secure a tent or sleeping bag. Whether for combat, hiking, or bug-out situations, this military-grade rucksack is built to handle it all. When exploring the outdoors, protecting your legs from snake bites, thorns, and harsh terrain is crucial for safety and comfort. The Kulkul snake gaiters are designed with 1200D Oxford fabric and a waterproof coating, providing durability, resistance, and all-weather protection. Featuring 30 polypropylene panels, these snake-proof leg guards offer reinforced bite protection while remaining lightweight and flexible. Adjustable buckle straps, rubber instep straps, and hook loop closures ensure a secure and customizable fit for both men and women. Ideal for hiking, hunting, trekking, or working in snake-prone areas. These multifunctional gaiters provide full leg coverage from ankle to thigh, offering peace of mind in the wild. A strong, sharp, and reliable knife is an essential tool for outdoor survival, hunting, and bushcraft. The GCS Handmade Tracker Knife is crafted from 100% handmade 59 HRC-D2 steel, offering exceptional durability, edge retention, and cutting precision. Designed for hunting, camping, survival, and EDC, this knife is tough enough to handle any outdoor challenge. The G10 handle ensures a secure grip, while the right-hand Scout carries a buffalo leather sheath providing safe and convenient storage. With excellent wear resistance, this fixed blade knife is perfect for skinning, rescue, marine use, and heavy-duty tasks. Complete with a sharpening stone, it's a must-have for every adventurer's gear. A durable and reliable axe is essential for outdoor enthusiasts, hunters, and survivalists who need a versatile tool for chopping, splitting, and field dressing. Meet the Estwing Hunter's Axe, made in the USA, and forged in one solid piece for unmatched strength and durability. Designed for hunting, fishing, camping, and tree trimming, it features a slotted gut hook for field dressing large game. The patented shock reduction grip minimizes vibration and provides comfort, making it perfect for extended use. Whether chopping logs, splitting firewood, or clearing branches, this lightweight yet powerful axe is a must-have tool for any serious outdoorsman. Comes with a protective leather sheath for safety.